In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error continue installation without flag. There are actually many ways you can fix this, but first, click the search bar and search run and open it. And the command, type this and press OK. Scroll down until you find the Roblox folder, then open versions. Now open the folder until you find the Roblox player launcher. If you can find it in that folder, just open the other folder. Now you can see the Roblox player launcher, and it will install automatically. Click OK, and now it's done. Another way to fix it is to open again the search bar, and then type run and open it. Type this in the command. Find the Roblox folder, and right-click on it, and press delete. Close the window, and once again open run. Type this, and press OK. In the search bar of the window, find the Roblox folder, and delete it. Close again the window, and go to the search bar. Type in Open Control Panel. Click the Uninstall a Program, and find the Roblox player. Click on it, and then uninstall. After that, go to your browser and open roblox.com. Go to your profile, click any game you want, click the play button, and select download and install Roblox. Choose the download path that you want, and press save. Once it is finished downloading, open it, and now it will install automatically. That's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.